Let's try the integral of x times the square root of x plus 1. Now in all these problems, we get to decide what is u and what is dv. Now, you can always try a certain choice of u. Maybe it'll work out, maybe it won't. If you run into a dead end, then you can guess that maybe you didn't make the best choice for u and go back and change your choice. However, I know that x is going to be the best choice for u here. The reason I know that is we're looking for something that makes the thing simpler. And if we choose x for u, then du will become just 1, which is really easy to work with. However, if I let x be part of the dv, we would get x squared over 2 for v, which is just not that good to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and make the best choice here. I'm going to let x be u, and that's going to mean that square root of x plus 1 dx will be my dv. So my du will be 1 dx, which is good. And my v, a little trickier to find, that's actually going to be x plus 1 to the 3 halves times 2/3. All right, now that we have those, we're going to want to go and fill in our formula. So our x goes here. We'll have 2/3 x plus 1 to the 3 halves for v, minus an integral of 2/3 x plus 1 to the 3 halves dx. Okay, this one's not too bad. Let's see, we'll try to simplify a little bit. 2x over 3, x plus 1 to the 3 halves. Now we want to integrate this, and similar to this situation, we can make it 2/3 x plus 1 to the 5 halves, adding 1 to the exponent, and then multiplying by the reciprocal of that exponent. And we'll put plus c. And that'll do it. We could leave it just like that, or simplify if we like. That'll be our answer. Okay, there's one more to try on this page, and that is the antiderivative of ln x dx. Now in this one, you might be thinking, it's not really a product of functions. There's just ln x. However, it can be made into a product of functions if we do ln x times 1 dx. So what are the best choices here for u and dv? Well, first of all, we don't know the antiderivative of ln x. That's why we're doing this by parts. So I better not let dv stand for ln x dx. We want u to be ln x. And then dv can simply be the 1 dx part. All right, so our du is going to be 1 over x dx, and our v will be x. Now let's write out the formula. And we'll plug the different things into their positions and see if we can finally solve. So u is ln x, v is x. We'll have an integral of x times 1 over x dx. Okay. This part can just stay what it is, x ln x. We will cancel the x's to make 1 dx. And there's our answer. The antiderivative of ln x dx is x ln x minus x plus c.